Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to create a wish list on GoWish. Now, if you want to create a wish list on GoWish, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GoWish app on a device. So if you have not installed the GoWish app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the GoWish app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, you just need to log in by using the email, Facebook or Google. So to create a wish list, you just need to go on the option of wish list at the very bottom left, and here you will see the option of create wish list. So click on it, and from here you'll see the option of for me, together, on behalf. So if it is for you, click on the option of for me and name your wish list like this. So you just need to name it, and you just need to select the event, and you just need to give a short description like this. You just need to select the date when you are planning for, just select the date when you are planning for, and click on the option of confirm. And you may also edit the wish list photo and all of it. So you may simply select the photo like this and click on the option of choose at the very bottom right. If you want to share the visibility, click on the option of like this, and if you want to keep it private, click on the option of private. If you want to share it, click on the option of share, and click on the option of create wish list at the very bottom. So that's it. That's how you can create a wish list on GoWish app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.